Hey guys, I'm Hana. In this tutorial, let me show you how to create this 3D text animation. Do you know this? It's the first part of Big Hit artist music videos. As you know, Big Hit is an entertainment agency in Korea. BTS is belonging it. Although I'm Japanese. Anyway, if you have never watched it, please check it out from link on my description. Let's start. Create new composition. I call it logo animation. Duration is 8 seconds. Click OK. And create new solid. And go to text tool, type Big Hit. I think most similar font is Futura PT, so I use this. And size 190 pixel, 252 and 70. And turn on 3D switch. And now we cannot set geometry options, so go to composition setting and 3D render tab. Render change to Cinema 4D. Click OK. And set bevel depth to 5 and bevel style to convex. Extrusion depth 35. Click material options, cast shadow, turn on. Accept shadow on, accept light off, appears in reflections on. Duplicate, Ctrl D. And we are gonna create each characters in each layers. One character, one layer. And delete exception B and put it on guide layer Big Hit. Next, eye, and we repeat same stuff. Delete first text for guide. Select all characters and pre-compose them. I call it Big Hit. Go to Big Hit in. Go to 4 seconds. Select all of them and hit R. Click orientation keyframe and go to 1 second. Hit U. T090. In this screen, I typed positive 270, though it was my mistake. Correct value is negative 270. And age 270, 90, 0. G 0 270 0. First I 270 0 0. B 090 0. And go to 2 seconds. H 090 0. Go to 0 second. G 90 270 0. And select all keyframes. Hit F9. And we're gonna edit graph. I wanna make it bring weight to right side. Change graph like this to all characters. Go back to logo animation comp and turn on 3D switch and collapse transform switch and duplicate Ctrl D, turn off 3D switch because this is just to create blur. Blur doesn't work with 3D layer. Go to effect presets, pass the box blur. Change 3.5 brow radius. White solid, turn on 3D switch. And select it, hit S. And change to 150. Go to 4 seconds. And hit P. Click keyframe and Z axis is 35. And go to 0 second. Z axis change to 0 to move solid on Z axis. Because this text has depth, so we must adjust distance. And we're gonna create light, layer new light. Light type is parallel, intensity 100, radius 2000, fall off, distance 0. Check cast shadow and shadow distance 6%. Click OK. And change light setting. Point of interest 1200, 500, 1000, and position 1450, to 150, and I'm gonna just position the axis. Finally, it's negative 250. Intensity is 130%. And shadow darkness 4%. I make blur radius up to 4. Now we could create like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please tap like button and subscribe my channel from upper right button. Follow my Instagram and Twitter from links on my description or ID. Thank you.